What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the Android share. We can call it the nearby share, or we can call it in Android style like airdrop style, because so many times throughout Android we didn't have an airdrop, and it's really annoying because we would like to share our files throughout our computer or throughout other devices, but nearby it's obviously there throughout a variety of Android devices. But when it comes to the PC, it's really like crazy because we would like just to share our files throughout the PC. Now, this kind of software from Google, they are still on the development, but still you can download the beta version and still use it. It's called Nearby Share. Now, Nearby Share, I hope a lot of you guys came across it through Windows 10 or Windows 11. Was it introduced to the Windows 10? I think Windows 11, if I'm not mistaken, and it's really great thing. But today we're gonna just have a look at Nearby Share from Google, which they're working on it, and still it's on beta, but still you can download the software and you can still use it. So I'm gonna share with you guys how you can download and how you can set it up and how you can use it. It's really convenient. In the first time it wowed me up and I was like, damn, where was this software since the beginning? But still, since Google is continue improving throughout the software, it's really amazing. So for further ado, they're telling you already know what's going on. Let us just get started throughout the video of today. So yeah, so guys, we're inside Nearby Share beta for Windows. As you can see it, it's really great thing. And another kind of stuff which is so great, you can see it says wireless sharing with your PC made easy. You can download the beta. Now, I don't want to download it right now first. I want you guys can see the website. You can see the demonstration as how I was showing you guys how it works, and this is how it works. So you have your device in here. You can share anything throughout your machine to the device or the device to the machine, either both ways depending on you how you want it. Now, something which is so great, you can see here transfer with ease, and it shows you what you want to transfer and all of that. View on bigger screen, which is really dope. Check your files on the go, which is really awesome. Now we're gonna say get started with that, and it will pop up here our download file, which is really amazing. So there we go. It will promote you to sign in with your Google account, which is really important. Now this will be your software. You can see it's connected via your Google account, which is really convenient. Now what we're gonna do, you can rename your kind of PC. I'm gonna say Abdurrahim 113, and another kind of stuff. You can see here who you want it to be seeing, so I'll just allow that. And this is our setup, which is ready to be shared. So this will be work this way. I'm gonna share with you guys on my device screen here and the PC screen, so as you can have a clear look on how it works. So guys, to allow the Nearby Share, if you didn't allow it on your mobile and you set it up on your PC, scroll down throughout your notification, swipe left, go to Nearby and hold it. It will tell you use Nearby Share, which is really great thing. Now we're gonna just share a file. Now I have one of my picture here, this kind of picture in here, which I've hold the cup, which is really dope, and I'm gonna just hold it and drag it throughout my Nearby Share. Now when I've dragged it already, it will pop up here, device sharing, and ready to share. It's just popping up here. I'm like sharing with you guys on the screen, you know what I mean? So it's here ready to receive, and I'll just tap to Abdurrahim, and the file will be done receiving, which is really great. Now I can view my file in a really great way using Files by Google, and tapping on here, you can see we're having our image there, which is really amazing. Now how can we transfer now from the mobile device directly to the PC? Now I'm gonna show you guys how you do it. Let me say this kind of picture, I wanted to share it on my machine. Now I'll just tap on here and I'll say Nearby Share, and it will say Abdurrahim 113 laptop, and I'm gonna tap on it, and it will just pop up here, and there we go. Woo! That's really cool, man. That's really cool. It's like having airdrop, man. That excitement, man, is capturing me. You know what I mean? It's really, really dope. So that's how you do it, transferring your files from your phone to your PC to your phone. I hope a lot of you guys got the info clear. So that's how you do it. That's what's up, guys, about the video of today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking, and another kind of stuff. A lot of you guys, you're not subscribed to your homeboy here. Make sure that you're subscribed, and another kind of stuff, make sure that you like this video, share with your friends, let them know how you can share your files to the PC. It's really dope. Another kind of stuff, I'll be catching you guys on the next tech video, and up to the next one, guys. Kudos, guys, and peace. You already know.